We're good? All right, Justin, this is the Abingdon that we have. This is an Abingdon model. Make sure you get that. You don't have to raise it up. I know it's raining out here, everybody. We're trying to get you guys a quick video to show this Abingdon. We've just had about 3 of these built, but look at this. This is our cottage style home that I came up with. It's got a shingled roof, gutters. This is called live edge. So live edge means up underneath here, it's straight, but this is left the bark, and you see this is actually the tree right here on the bottom side. We call this live edge siding. Flower boxes. Now, this blue part, this is going to be stuccoed. I love to put in the stucco that we put some straw in it, and it makes it look old world, kind of European. And then we put this little bit of curve. It's got a little bit of curve to it. This is just to give it some style, and you got some cedar shakes at the top with the light. Look at all the character in this Abingdon. Now, the Abingdon is 10 by 24. Got a mini split, got our big corbel brackets up here, and also got the live edge for a fascia. All right, I don't want to keep Justin out here too long. The camera's going to get wet. Let's go inside and see what we got in here. Let me get this bucket, Justin. There we go. Awesome. Need a hand? You good? All right. So this is a 10 by 24. Again, I build, this is so in my mind when I designed this, it's cottage style, it's all on one level, and you know you can always make them longer. And the thing is people always want bigger, bigger, bigger because they guess, well, I gotta have this, gotta have that. Well, in a tiny home, we got some restrictions. Biggest thing is cost, right? We don't want the cost to go up too much. We want to make it affordable. The design, I don't want it to be just a box. I don't want it to be just a cracker box that has no style. And I think people enjoy looking at their home. So if we have a 24-foot, what I thought you'd have back here, it's all on one level. So you get your bathroom, your kitchen, but where Justin is, you've got this big, huge living room. So let me step this thing off. You got 3, 6, 9, 12, 120 square feet. That's from the kitchen. That's not including the kitchen. So let's just say you got another 110, 120 square feet of just open area. Now, living in one level, you're going to have your bed in the living room, right? Now, you all know that can be a day bed. It can be just a regular bed. I know years ago, even Amanda talked about it. I had a grandma, when you walked into the living room, they had just a nice full-size or queen bed that was just in the living room, you know, just off the side. I thought it was beautiful. I thought it looked nice. So you can actually have your bed. You still can have a dining room table. You can still have a desk. You can still have your refrigerator, your full kitchen, appliances, and actually a table right there too. So being 24 feet long, I hope you guys can see how you could have either a single bed, right? Or a double bed behind right here. Just think about it. So if you go 3, let's say 5, right? So that would be like a queen size bed over here. You still got all this. You could still have a dresser. This is your bedroom, right? Then from here, if you have a dresser there, you could have, excuse me, you could have a love seat and then your refrigerator. You could have a TV over there, or you could have your dining room table, a small nook that could fit up against this wall. So I'm just kind of running you through it, giving you an idea. I wish we could decorate this for you. Maybe we can. We'll find out when it's going to leave. Try to position some furniture in here to give you a really good view and look at what it'll do. Let me swap with you. Yep, and we'll do the bathroom. Now the kitchen is a little different. It's because we have a gas cooktop, and this was done how the homeowner wanted this, right? So you got to get, I love this right here. This is what I want to put in my house. This is a gas cooktop. Farm style sink, beautiful cabinets. These are soft close cabinets. These are our high-end cabinets. We even put these in the Incredibox. So the farm style sink actually has to have a cabinet that is cut just for that to sit in. Then of course you got your kitchen window, you got your puck lights up here, range hood, microwave stand, and then you have, what am I talking about? The refrigerator goes here, it goes behind the barn door, not over there. So that actually gives you even more room for a table or a dining room table, a desk, anything, even bringing your furniture this way. So you've got almost a full 120 square feet area that you can put everything. Then of course the bathroom back here's got a stackable washer and dryer. It's Mac Daddy, right? So you got a stackable washer and dryer. It's going to be in front of your window, or you can have it a under the counter washer and dryer. It's a combo. 36-inch shower, which is awesome because we got the width, and you've got your tankless water heater. This is off grid, so you've got your compost toilet, and this was an add-on for the customer. And of course, our new vanity, and I like our vanity. It's still a small sink, right? Like our little wall-mounted sinks we had, but you get a vanity underneath this one. This is a standard product we're putting in all of our model homes. So please, if you go to our website, you'll be able to see all the amenities that we're adding to this home. You know, our models has got the LP siding on it. It's got the farm style sink. It's got this vanity. It's got a lot of upgrades that's included in the cost, just the basic cost of the house, okay? So, but this here is the Abington. I hope you guys like this. I love it. It's more of a cottage style home on the outside. Where do you see a tiny home that looks like that with shingles, with that swoop little overhang right here? We're gonna have a little bit of stucco. You got cedar shakes. You got live edge siding. There's so much going on in just this cottage style home. Please go to our website and we'll give you a price on that. I'll probably post it on our beginning of the video of how much this house cost. So if you guys are interested, give us a call at Incredible Tiny Homes here in Newport, Tennessee. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, notification button, all that crazy stuff so you guys can see our next video. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching.